Let's be honest, almost everyone is wrong about what it takes to make money on TikTok Shop. They're all chasing follower counts, begging for engagement, and waiting to hit some magic number. Is it 1,000? Is it 5,000? Who knows? Before they even think they can start. That's the slow path. That's for people who enjoy waiting in line. While they're waiting, the platform changes, new sellers jump in, and the algorithm moves on. The game isn't about your follower count anymore. It's about getting access to the right tools and creating content that actually makes people click the little orange shopping cart. So, you have no followers? Good. You have an advantage. You're not distracted by vanity metrics that don't pay the bills. You can focus on the one thing that matters: getting your first commission. In this video, I'm not showing you some sketchy hack or a loophole that'll get shut down next week. I'm showing you the official seller-side route that can unlock affiliate features from day one. Then I'm giving you the exact content plan to get commissions before you even hit 100 followers. First, you need to understand why everyone is so confused. It's because there isn't just one way into the TikTok Shop affiliate program. There are a few different doors, and each has a different key. The first door is the one everyone knows, the standard creator path. This is where you apply directly through the TikTok app. Now, the follower requirement here is all over the place. People get fixated on a number, maybe 1,000, maybe 5,000 in a place like the US. But here's the thing, that number is constantly changing, depends entirely on where you live, and sometimes isn't even the main requirement. It's a moving target. Some creators have also reported that once they're in, they're put on a kind of 30-day probation with some initial limits. The second door is what I call the wait and grow path. This is the idea that as your account gets bigger, and no, there's no official magic number like 5,000 followers, you might get access to more features or partnership opportunities. While it's true that bigger accounts get more attention, this is a long-term goal, not a starting strategy. It involves a lot of waiting around and hoping for the best. This brings us to the third and most important door for anyone starting from zero, the seller-side route. This is how you can bypass the usual follower hurdles by using the platform's official system for sellers. This isn't a secret trick, it's literally how the system is designed to work for businesses, but it's open to individuals too. And this is the door we're about to walk through, step by step. Ready to actually do something? Here's the game plan. We're going to register you as a TikTok Shop seller and then link your personal TikTok account, yes, the one with 0 followers, as a marketing account. In many regions, this process gives your account the power to tag products from the moment you're approved. Here are the steps. First, you're going to search for TikTok Shop Seller Center plus your country's name and go to the official website to register. If you see the option sign up as an individual seller, this is for you if you're not a registered business. Second, verification. This is the don't mess this up step. TikTok needs to confirm you're a real person to comply with regulations, so you'll likely need to provide a government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. Use your real legal info. You're setting up a system to get paid, so everything has to be legit. Third, connect your payout info. You'll link a bank account where your commissions will land. You'll also need to provide any necessary tax information, like a social security number in the US. Fourth, and this is the key that unlocks everything, you will link your personal TikTok account to this new Seller Center account. Inside your seller dashboard, look for a section called Linked Accounts or Marketing Accounts. You're going to find the option to bind your TikTok account. Depending on the region, you can often link one or more accounts. Some documentation has mentioned up to 4, but this can vary. When you send the request from the Seller Center, a notification will pop up in your TikTok app. You have to accept this within 48 hours. Once you accept, a couple of things often happen. Your TikTok profile may get upgraded to a business account, and more importantly, it should give your account the ability to tag products in your videos. By using this seller-side route, you can get your affiliate capabilities turned on without needing a single follower. You're using the official channel designed for businesses. The best part? Instead of just promoting your own stuff, you can often get access to the product marketplace to find and promote other sellers' products for a commission. Okay, now your account has the shopping cart icon enabled. Your follow account is now officially a secondary thought. The algorithm doesn't really care if you have 10 followers or 10,000. It cares if people watch your video. Your entire job is to stop worrying about followers and start making content that gets people to click that product link. Here's how you do it. First, choose the right products. Stop scrolling the marketplace looking for things you think are cool. You need products with 3 specific traits. 1, they solve a visible problem. The product needs to create a super clear before and after. Think of a stain remover that works instantly on camera, a kitchen gadget that saves a ton of chopping time, or a skincare product that visibly calms redness. 2, they have a wow factor. The result has to be impressive enough to make someone stop scrolling and go, wait, what was that? And 3, they have existing social proof. Look for products other creators are already selling successfully. This proves people want it. Don't reinvent the wheel, just build a better looking car. Once you have a product, your job is to be a problem solver, not a lifestyle influencer. Use these 3 video formats that are proven to convert. Format 1, the 10-second fix, problem, solution, result. This, honestly, is the gold standard. Start with a relatable problem like, my white shoes are always disgusting, then introduce the solution. But I found this little cleaning pen, and finally show the incredible result. And now they look brand new. It's a whole story in less than 10 seconds. Format 2, the unboxing demo. Don't just open a box. Unbox the product and solve a problem with it immediately. If it's a portable blender, unbox it, toss in some fruit, blend it, and drink it, all in one smooth, satisfying clip. The value isn't the unboxing, it's the proof that it works right out of the box. Format 3, the you know that feeling when hook. Start with something super relatable. You know that feeling when you can't get the last bit of toothpaste out? Or I'm the type of person who always loses their keys. Then introduce the product as the hero that fixes that specific struggle. You build a connection before they even see the product. This is where most people fail. They post one video, get 2 views, get sad, and quit. You need to treat this like a science experiment. Your hypothesis is, which of my videos will make people click? Your goal for the first 2 weeks is not to go viral. It's to find a winning combination of a product and a video angle. Choose 3 products only. Seriously, don't try to sell 20 different things. Pick 3 products that fit the criteria we just talked about. Create 3 to 5 different videos for each product. This is non-negotiable. For that shoe cleaner, make one 10-second fix video, another showing it cleaning 3 different types of stains, and a third with a hook like, the one thing I'm packing for every vacation. Post 1 to 2 videos per day. You have to feed the algorithm data so it can find your audience. By the end of week 2, you'll have a library of 14 to 28 videos. Analyze the clicks, not the views. Views and likes are distractions right now. The only metric that matters is the clicks on your product link. Go into your TikTok shop dashboard and see which videos are actually making people curious. By now you'll have some data. You'll probably see that 1 or 2 video styles for one of your products got way more clicks than everything else. Identify your winner. Find the video that got the most clicks, even if it was just a few. That's your winning formula. Create 10 more versions of that winning video. Now you double down. If the before and after video for the shoe cleaner worked, your job is to make 10 new variations. Film it in a different room. Use different shoes. Try new text on the screen. Change the first 3 seconds. You're not reinventing, you're iterating on what works. Continue posting daily. The momentum is building. Keep giving the algorithm what it wants. This is the process. It's not about luck, It's a system. You're not guessing what might work, you're using data to guide your every move. So, forget everything you've been told about needing thousands of followers. The fastest path to your first commission isn't to become a famous creator, it's to operate like a smart marketer. Use the official seller-side route to get the tools you need from day one. Then focus obsessively on creating simple videos that solve a problem and make people click. Here's your challenge. Go start the seller setup process right now. And while you wait for verification, pick one product from the marketplace that has that wow factor and plan out 3 different videos for it. Don't chase virality, chase that first conversion. That's how you actually win this game. While everyone else is still waiting for their follower count to go up, you'll be learning what actually makes people buy. And that is the skill that will pay you for years to come.